welcome. Today, didn't keep it simple. First, a little update on my Neovim config. Basically wrapped it up oh my god. Basically wrapped it up myself. Added a little nice status line. This is the current state of the plugin now. I have about 14 or so plugins. I also added Vim Fugitive and copied Primogen's thing here. I'm gonna play around with it a bit more, but I kind of like it, especially for like merge conflicts that I haven't really gotten to deal with yet. In terms of like width, obviously, this because I'm first time using it, but seems fun. I made another one for Git diff splits, which is like nice because it splits your screen, where the left one is the main branch and the right is the feature branch, and your main is the working directory that you're gonna do all your changes, and all that changes like reflects on these sides too, and which is super nice. And then like it's like a super nice like a Git that just works, you know. Super fast. It's not like a GUI. It's like all Vim based, you know. And eventually, I think it will be pretty useful to use. So yeah. Regardless, I think yeah, a lazy dev for the Lua config, harpoon, my stuff here. But yeah. Git signs, conform. I gotta get Haskell away now. Oh lord. Yeah, so pretty simple. Yeah, I think it's pretty straightforward. So today, let's get back to our project here. So where we left off was here, which is our thing here. We need to, so we have like the group expressions, because these fail, so we need to write stuff that helps it pass. So we're gonna register a new one in our new a kind of initializer here. So we can do, let's do parse grouped, I guess grouped, parse grouped expressions. And parse, so I'll do it like at the bottom. Parse prefix expression, parse infix expression, parse booleans, and then we'll do it here. So we'll do, actually, screw that. So this is right here. So func p parser, parse grouped expressions, ast.expression. I like this kind of ghost LSP here. I really like that. It's like I feel like Copilot type of thing, but not to AI suggestions, you know. So, wait, let me go back here. This should be, this is left paren, yeah. Do I do it for right paren as well? I don't think so. They don't put that, so. So, yeah, so let's go back here. So what do we do here? So we call p.next token, expression, p.parse expression with lowest, if not p dot expect peak expect peak, I guess the ripe token dot ripe brace or ripe paren. Right? Isn't that what we want? Then return new. And otherwise return expression. And go test dash SV. We still failed. Why? Sucks. Yeah. Ooh, I spelled this wrong. Parse. Okay, in our test though, we need to go back to our test. Who's crying? Anyone crying here? This. Why is it crying about this? Yeah, why is it crying about this? Test. Oh, wait. Wait, test infix expression. Expression. Maybe that's, wait, what was first well, it's fine here, but test operating precedence parsing is failing. Test operator. Well, we go to parse here, and then parse statement. I guess we go here, and then we go parse. That's our problem. Case token dot left paren dot parse. Oh wait, no, these are fine. What am I doing? Parse this. Yeah, go here. Parse expression statement. Test literal expression. Let's go here. We'll test this. We'll test Boolean or literal expression. This, okay, so we have this fine, right? Yeah, that's fine. Test parsing infix. Test parsing prefix. Yeah, something's wrong with my thing. I think I'm missing some stuff here. I think I missed a chapter. Test literal expression. Yep, that's fine. Let me go to parser again. Parse, was it? Parse infix expression. Wait, this looks pretty different. Like, if expression dot operator is not equal plus, whoa, it's not equal plus. Oh, it's equals expression dot right equals parse expression precedence minus 1. Else we didn't add this. Okay. Still failing. Test Boolean expression. Do we even have test Boolean expression? Test Boolean expression. Test Boolean expression. What? I don't even have that. test integer expression. Where is that supposed to be? Wait, test integer wait, what? Test integer. Test identifier expression. Oh, we have this. Test. Okay, well, I need to make that then. Test integer literal. Yeah, I think I messed something up. Test expression. Wait, test integer. Well, integer literal. Identifier expression. I don't even have a test integer, test integer, test or test integer. Maybe this is supposed to be the integer literal. Yeah. Wait, let me do a test integer. Ooh. That's the problem. This is not the function I'm referring to though. Test. It's this one. Let's call it this. We'll call this. Test return statements, test into literal expression, test parsing, prefix expression, test infix parsing, test operator parsing. I don't even have a test Boolean expression. Test, let's put that somewhere. Well, I'll copy this one. Oh no, we'll do it. I should go to the test, this one. Test integer literal. Let's copy this. Test Boolean. Yeah, I don't even have that. It's super annoying. Test parsing infix expression. Test. We'll go down right here. Oh wait. Yeah, let's do it here. Wait, so we do Boolean. Yeah. We can just put this here. Test Boolean literal expression. True. False. Yep, expression statement. test literal expression. Test identifier identifier. Test literal. Test Boolean. Wait, what am I doing wrong? Test pressing, yeah, this thing. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, parse expressions thing, man. Oh, hold on. I feel like there's something I'm missing. In our parser test, we can add test Boolean or expression. What? Oh, literal. So this, and then we add a bool. Case bool. Switch type to the type. Test Boolean. Then we have the bow stuff. Toggle literal. This is format T dub. Got percent T gub that, and then return false, then return true. And then let's go to the test parsing prefix. We actually add more stuff. Right here. So we have true equals true. True. Oh, the string true? No, these are the actual literal. Oh, this is prefix. Oops. Infix. Oh, so I already have most. Oh, I actually don't have this. But true is still being complained because of the infix test, and then they made this an interface. Interface. Right? We'll do some another ones. We have true equals true. True does not equal false. False. We have another one. We have false. False. Yeah, false. So yeah. If not, return. Okay. And then let's do prefix. Let's add a few more here. So these, okay, now the value is now an interface. I don't know why he's changing these. So we do that, and then we do true. A true. Now we add the group expressions, and we add the thing, then the function. So this maybe might work, I don't know. That's my problem. He's making us change the data types. So where is that? 210? Ah, yeah. What is this one? Test integer parsing prefix function. Ah, it calls it value. Regardless, though, curious why they're changing it. I don't know why. Yeah. Well, this. Ah, so I gotta change the interface. Test infix. Yeah, that's fine now. Still failing. It actually fails more of the test now. test parsing infix. Let me see my test real quick. Let's start with the very top one. So we have parsing prefix. Parsing prefix. Let me see my yep. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Oh. I have to add semicolon, right? I don't think it makes a difference actually. Integer value not 5 got 5. What? 225, 225. Well, yeah. Because now the freaking data types are different. Because this, I know it is the, it's a N64. I guess int 64. Can I do that? Well, that sucks. I don't know. I'm missing something here. I'll try to debug this on my own time. I need to read up the thing. So, but anyways, thanks for guys for watching. If you like any other Neovim stuff, I'd love to do that. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you for tomorrow's. Peace.